Good afternoon everyone. Today I will explain one important sum from the chapter Geometric Progression. It is the one topic from sequence and series. What is the question? Question is, if the pth, qth and rth term of GP are A, B and C respectively, then prove that this is equal to 1. Whatever you have to prove, leave it like that only. Okay. Firstly, what is given? Just focus on that. Okay. Now, in GP, first term and common ratio are not given. That's why we assume the first term of the GP is A1 and common ratio is R1. Why we are choosing A1 and R1? Because A and R, normally in the standard term of standard first term is A and standard common ratio is R. But we are choosing here A1 and R1 because A and R already given in question. That's why. To avoid the confusion, we are choosing first term as A1 and common ratio R1. Now, what is given? P term. P term is A. That means AP equal to A. And what is the formula of P term? A1 R1 to the power P minus 1. Because we know that the formula of nth term is first term into common ratio whole to the power n minus 1. An equal to A1 R1 to the power n minus 1. That is the formula of nth term of GP series. Now, in place of n, P is there. That means AP equal to A1 R1 to the power P minus 1 equal to A. This is the number one condition. Similarly, Q term is B. That means AQ equal to B. A1 R1 Q whole to the power Q minus 1 equal to B. In the similar way. So, according to question, third according to question is rth term is C. Respectively is given, that's why rth term is C. That means AR equal to C. That means A1 R1 to the power R minus 1 equal to C. Now, whatever left hand side is given, just write down. Left hand side is A to the power Q minus R, B to the power R minus P, C to the power P minus Q, this. Okay. Now, what you have to do? You have to do in place of A, B and C, just put the value of this, this and this. Okay. From 1, 2 and 3. In place of A, put this value. In place of B, put this value. In place of C, put this value. Put here. Now just open the bracket. A1 to the power Q minus R, R1 to the power P minus 1 into Q minus R. Similarly, A1 to the power R minus P, R1 to the power Q minus 1 into R minus P. From here, A1 to the power P minus Q into R1 to the power R minus 1 into P minus Q. Now, A1 to the power something, A1 to the power something, A1 to the power something. If base is same, power is different, that means power will be add. That means A1 to the power Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Q minus R plus R minus P plus P minus Q. Into R1 to the power this plus R1 to the power this plus R1 to the power this. Base is same, power is different, that means power will be add. R1 to the power this plus this plus this. Now, A1 to the power, all the terms are cancelled out. Q cancel out, PP cancel out, RR cancel out. That means A1 to the power 0. R1 to the power. Now multiply. P minus 1 into Q minus 1. That means PQ minus PR minus Q plus R. Like that. After multiplication, we will get this. And here, QR minus QP, QR minus QP, minus R plus P, minus R plus P. From here, this come. Now this RP minus RQ minus P plus Q. Fourth term we get from here. Now check it, all the term will cancel out. PQ cancel out with this, PR cancel out with this, minus Q cancel out with this, R will cancel out with this, QR is cancel out with this, minus R is cancel out with this, minus R is cancel out with plus R. That means all the term are cancel out. That means what is remaining? 0. That means A1 to the power 0 is 1, R1 to the power 0. That is 1 into 1 is 1. This is our right hand side. I think it is clear. Okay. Thank you everyone.